Hi friends, today I'll be discussing with you on the Vedanta Limited delisting which has been proposed by the company. So my name is Ashish Bhaiti. I'm a chartered accountant by profession. Okay. So this video is just for the education purpose. Uh, we are not recommending any share buy or sell or any transactions. It's just कि जो delisting process purpose अभी जो delisting कंपनी ने प्रपोज किया है वी आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग दैट सो वेदांता लिमिटेड इज एनएससी बीएससी लिस्टेड कंपनी इट इज इन द बिजनेस ऑफ माइनिंग जिंक ऑल प्रेशियस मेटल्स कॉपर की माइनिंग करते हैं ये करंट मार्केट प्राइस जिसका चल रहा है दैट इज 92.6 जो फ्राइडे का क्लोजिंग था टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑन संडे सो 15th मई का क्लोजिंग वाज 92.6 इट्स 52 वीक हाई is 180 and low is 60. Okay. As of September 2019, its book value is 178. This is a very important number to note. The 178 is the book value of the share. मतलब जो assets minus liabilities की जो value है that is of 178 and current market price is 92.6. So what has happened is Anil Agarwal, who is the promoter of the company, the board has proposed last week to delist the company from the exchanges. So company ka, if as we have discussed, the last closing price was 92.6. Its high is 52 week high is 180 and 52 week low is 60. The current PE ratio is 4.6, which is very less. The market cap of the company is close to 33,000. We'll cover that. So the company has proposed to delist from the NSE and BSE. Now that decision is pending on the board meeting. So board is meeting on 18 May, that is tomorrow, and they'll be deciding whether this proposal to accept this proposal or not to accept this proposal. And there's an indicative price of 87.5 rupees. Now this is again a very interesting number and very important number. This is not the final price or the final number. This is what the company has proposed बोर्ड के सामने. तो बोर्ड मीटिंग है 18 तारीख को जो कि मंडे को. बोर्ड डिसाइड करेगा कि ये एक्चुअल प्रपोजल होना चाहिए या नहीं. उसके बाद ये शेयर होल्डर्स के पास जाएगा प्रपोजल. सो अभी तो बोर्ड मीटिंग में डिसाइड होगा फर्स्ट, देन द शेयर होल्डर्स विल वोट एंड देन देयर इज द अगेन द प्रोसेस अहेड. सो अभी जो प्राइस इंडिकेट किया है दैट इज 87.5. Okay. If you'll see 87.5, it is almost near to its 52 week low. 52 week low is 60 का, which was hardly there for some time. So जो maximum trade value है अगर आप देखोगे, so it is last 6 months की या 8 months की जो average trade value थी VWAP या weighted average price बोलेंगे हम, that is obviously way ahead than 87.5. इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा है average traded value of last 6 months. Share is trading at its almost historical low of PE, जो कि इसका average mean median PE चलता है that is of 8 to 9. So आप बोल सकते हो कि ये अभी 4.6 के PE पे चल रहा है, which is almost half the valuation it is commanding. So from the company perspective, they have made a master stroke. काफ़ी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. कोविड के कारण प्राइसेस नीचे है तो दे आर यूजिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बाय बैक देयर शेयर. इट विल नॉट बी गुड फॉर द माइनॉरिटी शेयर होल्डर्स एंड द रिटेल शेयर होल्डर्स, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी. सो करेंट शेयर होल्डिंग इज promoters hold 50% of the shareholding. Foreign institution is with 15%. Mutual fund hold 11%. This is an interesting number, important number to see. Others are 8%. Financial institution, that is banks and others, are holding 8%. GDR जो global depository receipts है उसमें 0.4 है. And general public, like people like you and me, are holding 7.5% of the shareholding of the company. So अभी to delist a share, company needs approval of from the shareholders at least 75% votes in favor. So this is a important number to watch. अभी ये कल बोर्ड मीटिंग में पास होगा. उसके बाद by special resolution this will be put in front of shareholders and at least 75% of them should vote in favor of it. Again, 90% of the shareholders should participate in the delisting buyback of the company. So to make this proposal effective, these two hurdles companies should be able to clear. Okay, so ये अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडिकेटिव है. There's a lot of panic in the retail shareholder because most of them average holding उन सबकी, most of the लोगों की average holding price would be in their portfolio would be around anything between 140, 150 or something like that. क्योंकि कंपनी का अगर बुक वैल्यू 178 की है तो लोगों के एवरेज काफ़ी ऊपर है खरीदे हुए, और अगर 87 में उनको डीलिस्ट करना पड़ गया जो कि कंपनी ने बोला, सो इट वुड सर्टनली रिजल्ट टू अ ह्यूज लॉस ऑन पीपल्स portfolio. But it will not that be easy for the company to delist at 87.5. There is a mechanism. अगर ये shareholders approve भी करते हैं उसके बाद भी there is a reverse book bidding process. So इवन बोर्ड अप्रूव कर भी देता है कल 18 मई को, उसके बाद भी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये 87.5 में डीलिस्ट हो जाएगा. देयर इज़ अ प्रोसेस वेयर मर्चेंट बैंकर विल डू अ रिवर्स बुक बिडिंग. तो ये जितने शेयर होल्डर्स है जिनको अपने शेयर्स देने हैं प्रमोटर्स को, तो वो बिड करेंगे उस शेयर्स के, एंड दैट इज़ नोन एज अ रिवर्स बुक बिडिंग प्रोसेस. एंड उस प्राइस पे ये डीलिस्ट होगा. So there is still a long way. No need for the shareholders to panic right now. It's just a company का indication है कि ये इनकी wish है करने की, ये इनकी इच्छा उन्होंने जाहिर की है. Did not possible कि ये होगा. Okay. क्योंकि couple of things what we should consider before taking any decisions. कि there are massive reforms introduced by the FM in economic relief packages for mining sector, coal mining, and इसको काफ़ी open किया है अभी निर्मला सीतारमन जी ने अपने last 2-3 speeches में. So this will have a very good upside for the company. Okay, and the mutual fund owners, holders, or the other minority shareholders will not give their shares at this price, at such a huge discount. क्योंकि removal of government monopoly in coal mining will become a huge opportunity for Vedanta. So people, big shareholders know this fact, okay, and they will not give their shares at this value, at this throwaway price. So approval of delisting could result a massive opportunity loss. अगर ये हो जाता है 87.5 या उसी रेंज में, so this will result a huge opportunity loss for the promoter shareholder, for the non-promoter shareholder. So these people will not give their shares so easily and freely. So this is what I wanted to discuss. It's important to watch tomorrow what happens in the board meeting, and then probably I'll make another video of going forward. If you have any queries, post it on the comment box, or you can call me or chat me. Thank you guys.